Hello, this is Stephen from shortseasongarden.com. It's the 23rd of March. It's 8:20 p.m. My dishwasher's going. I get 4 feet of snow outside in places, and I'm tired of winter. And so I want some fresh food to eat, some fresh garden produce. So guess what I'm doing? I'm growing some sprouts. Now sprouts are an interesting thing to grow. You can also grow microgreens. I've got some microgreens going over here, but you can see my microgreens. I've got some beans and some peas coming here that you can tell I've been eating some of them. I've got some sunflower seeds planted, some new microgreens coming, but it requires more equipment. I've got a light here, an LED light, and I've got soil, and it makes quite a little mess. But the nice thing about sprouts is they don't require lights, they don't require any soil. Just a bottle, a mason jar with, you can buy a fancy lid, but you don't even have to have, you can just use plastic canvas. We've got some with the bigger holes, I think it's 7 per inch, or you've got the smaller ones, it's 10 per inch. And so I've got some sprouts here started. I've actually cheated a little bit and even had some of these on my supper tonight. They're almost ready to use anyway. But I'm going to start a new bottle of sprouts here tonight. And it's very simple to do. I've got several different types of seeds here. I've got some alfalfa seeds. The ones I've got planted is actually a mixture of clover, alfalfa, and radish, and some broccoli, I think. So you can buy different mixes. If you're going to use big seeds, you want to soak them for a while. The seeds I've got here they're actually pretty small seeds. The alfalfa is quite small. Get the package open, and I'm just going to pour out, not even a tablespoonful. Let's see perhaps how many seeds I've got in the bottom of my jar. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some water in these and let them soak for a few hours before I start doing the next process. So I'm just going to put this lid on and leave them like this. But I want to show you what we do with them twice a day. Once you get them ready, we just give them a little rinse and kind of drain them. And I like to do it a couple times each time. Just drain them again, and then we're just going to put them in a bowl and just kind of let them drain. They don't even need any sunlight. So it's an interesting way to get some fresh food to eat in the middle of the winter. Okay, so I've let these seeds soak overnight, and we're just going to do the same thing we did with the sprouts last night. We're going to drain them. And we're going to rinse them. Drain them again. Clogging the holes a little bit, so I have to shake them. And I'm going to drain them one more time. All the water out it can. And I think these other sprouts are ready to eat. So I'm going to take them out of the bowl, and I'm going to put these ones in the bowl and leave them to sprout. And in probably 3 or 4 days, they'll look just like these ones.